And I have to catch myself doing this too. Okay. It's like a constant evaluation. So as you bring the leg back here, shifting up, watch the shoulders. Okay. I want to keep my shoulders down and just lift my arms. And I want to pivot off my back leg. And here, so we're watching the shoulders. And as we come forward, we don't want this. Okay. We want the front leg to be our guide. So there's a big difference here in alignment versus losing alignment. Okay. From earlier, we want to make sure we're not gripping the floor as we're doing this. So as I change legs and I put my right leg forward and my left leg back, I want to make sure that as I move, that my feet are open and supporting me, and I'm moving through my legs and my hips. So if your legs are not quite with you on this, you might grip and pull from the feet in order to hold your balance. And so this is why we want things to be closer together, because we don't want you gripping at all. We need your feet to be solid, okay? Make sure this back leg, you're pulling the knee out and it's not collapsing in. So there's 4 aspects of this we always have to think about. And I'm constantly adjusting as I go. As you come back with me. I'm in my leg, my knee is back, my foot is open, but I'm solid and I'm using my whole body. I bring the arms up. The second part is I want to engage my shoulders. I want my shoulders to be relaxed. I want to be using these muscles, the lats on the side. And then I'm going to turn. And then my front foot also is not going to clutch the ground. It's going to be open. I'm going to move through my legs and I'm not going to lean too far, right? I'm going to be in alignment and I'm going to let go, keeping this knee open. And then I'm going to come down. Okay, so go ahead on your own. Take your time. I'm going to stop for a minute and come to the screen, but just keep going. Really good. So now you're all moving through your legs so beautifully. Okay, go ahead and pause. I could just watch you all day long. Go ahead and shake it out. All right, on your own. 3, pulling down heaven, filling every cell of your body with light. Allow your cells to just soak it up. Feel the chi 3 times going towards your right. Wash your face if you'd like. 3 times. And then just check in with your body. Do you notice anything right now? Is anything tight? Just want to pay attention, be gentle. That's really important. Good. Questions, comments, because it reminds me of different things that can be going on with the body that we forget about. And there's always these little tweaks. Posture is always something we're working on. It gets easier. That's good. Good, good, good.